From Alamo Fighters, I'm going to show you a review of the M14 sniper rifle. Mag 24, holds 24 BBs. It comes with a red dot sight. I don't know if you can see it or not. It comes the original sight, but I broke it, of course. I added a bipod, which can also be used as a grip, and I'm going to be shooting at that target down there, and it's 400 feet per second. There really is one. Moving on. Okay. Didn't hit it that much. It's harder when you're laying down, but that's the whole point of the bipod, to lay down. So let's go see what it did. Not bad. Right by the bullseye. Right by the bullseye. Bullseye. Right above it, bottom. That was horrible. Then to the side. Thank you for watching. Visit our website www.alamofighters.yolasite.com.